Hi guys, Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and today in a joint effort with St. Pete and MarineMax Naples, I'm bringing you a used 2017 Fountaine Pajot 37 motor yacht. Hop on board and let me show you around. We're seeing an interesting transition in the industry away from sail cats and more power cats that are capable to live aboard or make those Bahama cruises. So you don't want to pay the new price for them. You want to use one. You're waiting for one to come in on trade. This is your opportunity right here. One of the biggest advantages of going catamaran over monohull boat is the amount of space you get because of how wide the boat is. You see back here we have a great entertaining area, plenty of room. Big seat back here too. You're never going to feel crowded when you're chilling out in the sun. Making our way inside here, you see that we have more of a living room layout. Doesn't feel real boaty, but almost feels like the living room that you find in a house, with this dining area right here, kitchen over here, plenty of storage you see also. Here you see the lower helm station. This is really nice if you ever plan on doing long voyages, get out of the weather. Even if you wanted to head up north, maybe to the Chesapeake, you could get inside away from that cold, and that's really where the lower helm comes into play. Down here in the starboard stateroom, you see we have a very nice sized bed. Also a good amount of storage in the closet over here. You're gonna have a shared head between this cabin and that cabin. Wet head, take a look in there. Up here in the starboard bow stateroom, you know, if you're a kid, I mean, what is cooler than this? I mean, you got the sea right there. I mean, you could really make your kid or grandkids' dreams come true with a room like this. Over here on the port side, you see that they have the third and final stateroom where they split up actually the head and the bed itself. So you see over here, very spacious, plenty of headroom. Follow me over here to the master head. We dim down the lights a little bit, have a little bit of ambiance. Feels like we're on a Titanic on a luxurious cruiser as we make our way into the master head. As you join me up here on the flybridge, you notice that on a lot of boats you need a compromise between an area to hang out and a place to drive. Not the case on this boat. You see that we have this L-shaped seating. Nice place to lounge up for all your friends and family. Over here we've got the flybridge controls where you're going to be doing most of your captaining. So if you have any other questions on this boat or any of our used or new inventory, call myself or any of the other sales professionals down in MarineMax Naples to get you on your next boat of your dreams. I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax St. Petersburg, and I'm signing off. Bye guys.